I'm here in the chilly northeast painting this bell tower at Chautauqua Institute, famous landmark. I just went live on YouTube, my first ever live. That was what I got so far. We're going to continue. Now it's starting to rain. That's a no-no for watercolor, I suppose. The eclipse is like 5-6 minutes away, so people cheering, trying to get the sun coming. Oh my God, we got the sun! Yeah. I can't see it. Is it right there?